Hello folks, we're here at the marina with Lalo from Isla Fun Tours.
Hola guys, how are you?
Getting ready to boat. We're gonna go out today and hit a couple stops, a couple bar stops, maybe do some snorkeling, enjoy a fun day on the boat. So I'm gonna put Lalo's information for Isla Fun Tours in the description of this video. He's your man.
Thank you, thank you.
You wanna come to Isla Mujeres, spend a day on the boat, reach out to Lalo.
Okay. No injuries to start. No, step on that, sorry.
Jennifer.
Mucho gusto.
Jaime. Jaime y
Roberto.
Roberto. Jennifer,
Nice to meet
mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
This is a beautiful boat. Very nice boat.
Now.
We're rolling out of the marina here in Lagoon Makash. This is the main lagoon in the middle of the island where most of the marinas are. You got Sakbaho on this side and the Talonas area on this side. What do you think of the boat?
Very nice.
Beautiful. Very nice. The water's nice and calm.
I'm glad the wind calmed down. Yeah, this kind of trip really is the best way to go out on a boat. When you're on the island, you want to do a boat tour. You do a tour with Isla Fun Tours, your own private little boat. This is the alternative. Tell us, what is it? What can you do?
So it's the world mark. It's called Puerto Marina, an isla, and you can pay a day pass to hang out at the pool and eat food. It's really beautiful.
Great. So guys, incidentally, our crew today, you know, Jennifer, we got Andrea, Amanda. Amanda, tell us about what you do here for everybody on the island.
So I have a discount card. It's digital. It's an app called Isla Perks. And so what I've done is go around to many businesses on the island and I've asked them for a discount. And with that discount, you get it. And so with the card, you can visit all the different restaurants and excursions. We have one here with Isla Fun Tours, actually, a sunset tour. You can save with your group 10%, and then a bunch of other places on the island, and you just use them whenever you go, and you redeem them.
That's right, guys, and I'll make sure we put a link in the description of this video. We'll have a little card popping up here where you can get Amanda's contact information and get the discount card for yourself. So for our first stop, we're gonna go snorkeling, but we have to stop at the ferry terminal to get some wristbands because we're gonna be snorkeling in a national park, and it's Mexican law. You have to have the permission to go in the water in the national park. There's 3 national parks on the island, the Musa and 2 reefs, so we're gonna go to one of the reefs and see what we can see. I don't have any dive cameras with me, so we'll just show you from above the water, but looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day out here today.
Muy bien.
Yeah, wow.
Guys, I've never been on boats before, ever.
Really? Thank you so
Boat
much.
etiquette.
Yeah.
People need to know.
Thank you, sir. We're legal to go swim at the reef in the national park. We got our bracelets. We have provisioned, got some cans of beer, so yeah, should be a good day. Off we go.
And I'm gonna push all of that away behind you.
All that weather. Yeah.
We've been wanting to get out here and check this out. Our friends have been, and I can't wait to see what's in the water.
Yeah, shipwreck. Looks cool. So we're gonna be dropping the girls off to go snorkeling here at the beginning of this reef. They're gonna swim down to the lighthouse, and we're gonna meet up with them at the end of the reef and pick them up. Now here in the national park, it's required that you swim with a guide. So we have a couple guides on board that will be showing the girls what to see on the reef. What'd you see, Jennifer?
Barracuda, parrotfish, clownfish, sergeant majors. Woo!
Any tortugas?
No tortugas. Everything but tortugas.
Shark?
No sharks. Kind of hoping I'd see something like that.
Dolphin?
I got it. Thank you. Every color in the world.
Very good.
Oh yeah.
So the girls really enjoyed the snorkeling here at the reef by the lighthouse. I think the next stop we're going to go to Soggy Peso or Palapa del Capitan, probably Soggy Peso, and grab a margarita. Isla Fun Tours, folks. Definitely enjoying the ride. So you happy with everything that you saw on the reef?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely.
Right. You guys ready for soggy potato?
Soggy potato, soggy peso. See,
Right.
one and done. This place is the, as Eric calls it, the one and done. These margaritas, I don't know what's in them, but they are like super turbo powered.
I'm gonna get the painkiller. Have you had the painkiller?
I have not. That's a good idea. So this is one of the other boats in Lalo's fleet. This is the boat that we originally had scheduled to go out on, but we had to delay our trip from Wednesday till today. So we didn't get that boat this morning, but we went snorkeling on this boat. This is a great boat. We're gonna switch over onto this boat when we get to the Soggy Peso for the rest of the day. We tied up to the pier at the Soggy Peso, which incidentally got its name from before they had a pier, when you actually had to anchor and swim in with a pocket full of pesos that would be soggy by the time you got to the bar, hence the name Soggy Peso. So we came in on the boat today, so we didn't swim in. We came off the pier, so our pesos aren't soggy, so I hope they still like us here. Oh yeah. So one of our crew members that was supposed to meet us in the morning was running a little late, and we're actually meeting her here. You guys will meet Laurita.
Oh, not the margarita, the painkiller. Excuse me. So you're Amanda? I'm Amanda. Laura, nice to meet you, Laura.
Laura's joining the crew.
Thank you.
Well, this place is known for their margaritas and their painkillers. So if you come to the Soggy Peso, make sure you imbibe in one or the other.
Come on, come thirsty.
You only need one of these.
Come on, come thirsty.
Salute.
This is delicious. I'm very
All aboard. Yee, on to the next stop. It was a good time at the Soggy Peso, and I think we're off to Palapa del Capitan for some food. Everybody needs some food after those painkillers. Yeah, so we've made our way onto the other boat. A little nicer cabin and everything for the ladies. Paolo, how many boats do you have in your fleet?
5.
5 boats.
5.
So plenty of room on the schedule to take people out for an awesome day.
Yeah.
This one time.
But 12 hours,
It's the Capitan.
I thought I was going to die. I mean,
really?
yes, just one time I had it back.
You never have to worry about me.
So we're pulling into Palapa del Capitan. It's right here by the Dos Equis house. The owners of Dos Equis beer own this house. So we're going to cop a spot on their dock and walk on into Palapa del Capitan. So the docking's a little sketchy here, shallow water. So we had the dock bow in, but I think we can get the girls off the boat without any issues. Huh? Andrea's got hers on her shoulder. You're fine.
Yeah, right here.
She's good.
Thank you. I just need somebody to hold my beer.
All right.
I need to go to Thailand.
The Palapa del Capitan is accessible by golf cart by driving all the way to the end of the Sac Bajo Peninsula.
My favorite things about Palapa del Capitan is crabs and their little show and Letty's homemade habanero hot sauce.
Only babies. Only babies. No more. So this is Letty, and she makes the hot sauce.
Oh, Letty. ¿Tu nombre?
Hola, Lenny.
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 Me llamo Eric.
Hola, Eric. Jennifer. Jennifer.
Sí.
Jennifer. Eric.
Yeah.
Sí.
So we have to.
Mucho gusto.
I have to buy. Last time I was here,
Palapa del Capitan is a great place to get really good, authentic Mexican food. Make sure you bring your pesos because they don't take cards and they don't take US dollars. And they got us set up here at a table for 6.
Digital deals. Yes.
Let's take a look at the menu.
Well, that's no, but I was just wondering because I saw that and I was like, that is a
Drink
really
menu
good
and the food menu.
Huh? There's no alcohol
Well,
in rum shadow.
of course this is happening.
There's no alcohol in this.
Yeah, it's just
That's what I always say.
It's milk.
It's just rice water.
For the burgers.
Burgers.
Cheers. Ceviche. I have a burger place across the street from where I live.
Guys, we're going to chow down on our lunch here at
What's it called?
Palapa del Capitan, and after this, I think we're gonna try to hit a beach club. So stay tuned. Can't beat the prices at La Palapa del Capitan either. We're finishing up here, guys. We're gonna head off to a beach club. Might be Nomads. We called Carlos at Top by Bello, and they said they're doing some pool maintenance. We were gonna head there. So let's see where we wind up from here. But we're on our way out of La Palapa del Capitan. Nomad.
Okay.
Sunset. Somebody's got leftover.
Someone tell me why.
So folks, we're just pulling up to the dock at Nomads. I know you've seen our videos about Nomads before if you've been watching us, so I'll put a link so you can watch those videos. We're gonna head in here and grab a couple drinks and wind down the evening with Isla Fun Tours. So we just arrived at Nomads. We're gonna walk down the pier and wind down the evening here with sunset and some cocktails.
Right.
Isla Fun Tours, guys. Reach out to Lalo and make it happen when you're on Isla Mujeres. Did you enjoy your day, Jen?
I highly recommend Lalo and Isla Fun Tours. Yes, day's still going. Of course I am.
Absolutely. Well, guys, if you want to see more of Nomads Beach Club, we have another video. I'm going to link it on the end screen of this one. Check out Nomad Beach Club. But that's going to do it for us today on Schmoop's Adventures. We have a Patreon page. Like and subscribe if you like the content, of course. And hey, we'll see you in the next episode.